So I played a little bit around with Claude Design. That was something that Echo suggested that I play around with. And I have in the past, like when they first launched Claude Design, and I had built my own design system, but didn't really do much with it since then. And then recently I got an order on Fiverr. Somebody just needed a document prepared for them. And I had Claude co-work develop that document for me, but it was so like bland and boring that I just threw it into Claude Design to see what it would do. And it really, really made it look impressive. So I started thinking, what could it do to the design of this web app that would give me that wow factor? So I played around with it, and what it came up with is actually freaking sick. So I'm really excited. We are like halfway through building the features of this app, so I am a little bit nervous right now to put this prompt into Claude Code because I've never done this before, so I don't know if it's going to translate well. I don't know what's going to happen, but we're just going to go for it. We're going to go for it and see what happens. I published the version that we worked on yesterday, just in case it doesn't land well. I'm not sure if I'm getting myself into like a really difficult situation where I'm going to have to go back and forth a million times to get it looking exactly what Claude Design gave me, but we're going to see. So I already prepped the prompt. Claude Design created a whole like redesign folder for me. So just gonna go for it. Let's just see what happens. If I can get this web app looking like what Claude Design gave me, I'll be really satisfied with that because it's giving me that wow factor, which is what I'm going for. I want the user to load the page and be like, wow. Because that's what I would want to see as a user. So we're gonna see what it does. It's probably gonna take a while. Hey, who is that? Let me see. Joelle? Is it Joelle or Joel? Tell me if it's one or two. Joelle or Joel. Because I know a Joelle that spells their name like that and a Joel that spells their name like that. But welcome to the stream. Nice to meet you. I haven't seen you here before. I'm an amateur vibe coder, just so you know. You're not watching somebody who knows what they're doing. Like, I'm in the process of learning. It's only been 10 days. But if I can get this second app to look the way I'm thinking, then I feel like it's a big, it's a lot of growth from my first app. But we're going to see. We are going to see. Joelle, where are you from? Because I see there's some translation so going on in the chat. So just curious where you're watching from. I can imagine this redesign is going to take a long time. I did tell it to go step by step because it was a big redesign, but not a big redesign. From South Africa. Oh shit, cool. I haven't been there yet. I'm a solo traveler. That's my passion. My goal is to see every single country in the world, and I mean every single one. The good, the bad, the ugly. I want to see everything. But that being said, that's why I'm building apps like this. I'm an expat living in Thailand. I'm from New York City. And I moved to Thailand 2 years ago, and a lot of the content that I create is Thailand centered. And a lot of my audience, they're always messaging me asking for help planning their trip. So I'm building apps to help them do so. Hey, Raina. Oh, nice. Summer semester already. Nah, don't stress, don't stress. No stress. No stress. In Thailand we say mai pen lai, mai pen lai. That means don't worry about it. Stress is not a thing in my life anymore since I moved out of the United States. No stress. Really excited but nervous to see what Claude Code does. I worked really hard on it this morning, like really hard on it. And I didn't want to go through what I went through with Claude Design on stream because it's basically everything I did yesterday, but just using Claude Design instead. But thank you, Echo, for that recommendation. That's cool. Have you tried using Figma? No, Joelle, I haven't. There's a lot. I'll add it to my list. Again, I'm new, so there are only so many things that I've tried, but the chat has been super helpful with giving me recommendations of all the platforms that I should try. It's a little overwhelming though because there really are so many options. It's actually crazy. So right now I'm using Claude Code. I'm using Replit to deploy the app because that's what I have used in the past, and I have some credits on Replit and I have them until like the end of June. So I just want to use them. And then I'm going to explore other platforms that people have suggested. So oh, Raina, that's cool that you've tried Figma. So you even know what that is. I don't even know what that is. That's super cool. I'll look into it. I'll add it to the list. The list is forever growing. Oh God. A client just messaged me on Fiverr. One last question, they said. They got a lot of questions, let me tell you. They have a lot of questions. I prepared a document for them that answers all their questions. But they still got questions. Hey. They're gonna have to wait. Yeah, but if this turns out the way you don't like, I have to start using Claude Design from now on. When I first start building an app, and I just want to focus on the design because what it came up with is absolutely sick. Oh shit. Okay, nice, Raina. That's basically what I used Claude Design for today. But I'll look into that. I don't know if it's any better or worse, but the examples that Claude Design gave me were chef's kiss. So, but now I'm just curious. The toggle moved top left to right, yeah. This is a mid-migration, so expect a transitional look. Pull and reload both light and dark mode. When you've compared it against the reference and you're happy, tell me to continue to section B. All right, so this, I'm gonna pull it with the expectation it's not gonna look exactly like what Claude Design gave me yet. So Replit is a platform for you to build and deploy web apps and other projects. I don't really see a difference. Oh, but yet. But let's keep moving on. What did I say it changed? It just changed. Let's just move on to option B. You're right, I don't see much of a change yet. So let's keep going on to section B and we'll see what happens. Yeah, so Replit is it's a platform to build and deploy web apps and mobile apps and things like that. My goal is nice. Japanese language skills. That's so cool. Japanese is such a beautiful language. When I was in Japan, I just loved listening to people speak. Yeah, okay. So this section that Claude Code is working on now, this is the section that's like the wow factor. That's what I want. I'm excited. I'm so excited if it's gonna look the way I want it to. But we'll see. I don't want to get my hopes up because if it doesn't work, I'll be so upset. But if it doesn't work, then we just need to work a little harder to fix it. I'm not gonna give up on it. That's awesome, Reina. Right now, I'm focusing on learning more Thai. I know a decent amount of Thai, like more Thai than the average tourist or foreigner here. And I am half Asian. I'm not Thai, but when I have a tan and then I just speak a little Thai, everybody thinks I'm Thai. Everybody always thinks I'm Thai. And it's a compliment because Thai women are absolutely beautiful. But especially when I'm super tan and I go somewhere, I speak a little more Thai than the average foreigner, and then all of a sudden they're like in Thai, and I'm like, oh no, my, pu Thai dai net noi, which means I only speak a little Thai. And they always like, you Thai? You half Thai? They always asking me. So I like that because then I blend in. I'm Asian, living in Asian. I'm no longer the minority. I've been the minority my entire life. Oh, I miss you too. I don't know about San Diego, But Reina, whenever you're in Japan, let me know. I'll definitely meet you in Japan. Because Japan's right around the corner from me at this point. Reina, do you wake up this early or do you stay up this late? I need one of my own songs, and like, I'm just scared to get copyrighted. Oh yeah, that happens to me too all the time. All the time, Reina. I wake up and then I can't go back to sleep. They have these things in Thailand. They're called good night gummies. It's just vitamins. It's chamomile, and I eat them every night before I go to sleep. Jealous of your left side neck tattoo, 'cause it means so much. Let's see if I could just, which ones are not, won't copyright me. Don't want any copyrights. I think this one's okay. Girl, I know it well. You know I can't feel it. You know what I want to do. You would find it. You would find it. I can't stop it. I can't find That's so cool, Reina. All right. I'm going to get too distracted with this music. So, let me put the non-copyright music back on. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Oh shit. Oh shit. Damn. That looks sick. Oh my god. Oh my god, I think I love it. Hold on. Let's reload this again. I do notice it's a little bit narrow. Okay, so this is... Look, if you reload this shit... Ah, that looks so sick! Alright, what if we do 14 days, 4 stops. Let's make sure we go to PP. This does become a little bit big. Okay, the only thing is that when you change the browser to full screen, I feel like the cards are a little bit narrow. There's too much dead space to the left and the right of the cards. Is there any way that we can make adjustments so that the formatting ratio kind of changes as the user changes the size of the window that they're viewing the web app in? Also, what I'm thinking is in that hero section, when the user generates their itinerary, if they have so many stops, like if they add more than 3 stops, that boarding pass card becomes really, really big, where then I feel like it looks a little obnoxious. Can you give me some suggestions as to what we can do about this? Oh, was there really? I mean, I feel like there's always a shooting in New York City. They don't even all make it to the news. That's how many there are. So sad. Hope Mr. Ng is okay. sick. It looks sick. It looks freaking sick. I also feel like this hero section is the height is too much, that you can't see that full animation when you first get onto the screen. Scale the tiles to fit, implementing now. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Let's pull it. Okay, better. Now let's see what happens when we do 14 days, 4 stops, island hopper. Hi, Play-Doh. Not much, just chilling. What about you? And who is Jillian? That's me. But you want to know who I am, what I'm about? Okay, that's better. But how you doing today, Play-Doh? Okay, that looks great. The only other thing I would like to fix is that hero section. The height is so long that when the user opens up the web app for the first time, they can't fully get that wow effect because you can't see the full boarding pass. Are there any adjustments that we could make so they can get that full image of the hero when they first load the app, no matter what size window they're viewing on, and whether they're on a desktop or a mobile device? But if you want to know who Jillian is, Play-Doh, she is a solo female traveler who moved from New York City to Thailand 2 years ago, who makes a lot of Thailand content and is now learning how to vibe code apps to help my community, my followers of people who are interested in traveling and moving to Thailand. So that's who Jillian is. And she's a math teacher by trade. She is a math teacher by trade. but would like to leave the profession someday. Oh, good, Raina. I'm glad you're feeling safe and happy to hear that your dad has a job. That's awesome. Who is Play-Doh? Yeah, of course. Yeah, we did. I remember you joined the other day. I remember you joined the other day, yeah. But yeah, that's me. That is me. Hello, who is that? Fahad? Nice to see you. Nice to meet you. Welcome to the stream. Yeah, I know. Apparently it's a trend, but I mean, I'm an amateur. I'm just learning. This is the second app that I'm building on stream. Honestly, I'm really liking the way that it's looking. I'm not gonna lie. I'm building a Thailand itinerary builder. There's so many of them. Oh my God, Raina, you just gave me a freaking amazing idea. I should build a viral 7-Eleven drink freaking app where people can choose the drinks that they want to mix. Because that's such a trend. Oh, that's such a good idea. That's such a good idea. People love that 7-Eleven shit. Whenever I make 7-Eleven content, that shit always pops off. Nothing cultural, just people always want to see the 7-Eleven drinks. It's like a science project in 7-Eleven when I'm mixing up those cocktails. I actually have some of the ingredients in my refrigerator. I've been meaning to make one of those drinks. Yes, definitely, Raina. I will shout when I do build that. I don't know when I'll build it, but I'll shout you out on it for sure. For sure. Yeah, definitely, Fahad. It's definitely smarter, but it's thinking longer. But I think it's thinking longer because it's more analytical. So it's taking time to. It's just taking more time to think. That kind of makes sense, right? I'm also learning with vibe coding. We just got to be patient, right? And we gotta let AI do its thing. Okay, did I pull it? Yeah, I just pulled it. Hello, Cartoon. Welcome to the stream. Nice to meet you. Thanks for joining. We're building a Thailand cost calculator. He was a bored physics tutor and now full-time keyboard thumping maniac. He's currently looking for a solo traveler to accompany him in his not all planned trips. Oh yeah, that's right. I do remember. I remember you. I mean, I remembered your name, but now I remember that you said you taught physics. We talked about it. Yeah. Well, where are you not planning to go, Play-Doh? Let's see. Yeah, I still don't see the full thing though. When it's full screen, you do. I think they made this font smaller. I don't know if I like that. This really looks so sick though. I'm like in love with it. but you still can't see the full thing always. Like, that's constrain the hero. Did it change the font? Well, I guess it's okay. Let me not get too crazy. Okay, you can definitely see the full thing on when you're in full screen. But for example, I have a window open that isn't full screen because I'm live streaming and I'm trying to show multiple things, and you can't see that full hero section. So can we work on that a little bit more? I just want to make sure that the user can get that full effect immediately when they open the web app. Also, did you change the size of the font that says build a trip that feels like you? I can't tell if you did or not. If you did, I don't necessarily like that, but if that's what we need to do to get everything to fit, then just leave it. Oh no, what did I do? Oops. Having the user see the entire hero section when they open up the web app, regardless of their window size, is the main priority right now. Let's see the chat. Thailand and Indonesia and maybe Japan and also South Korea. Why not? I've watched a lot of Asian horror movies, so my expectations are high. I will also meet a shaman maybe. Oh, that's cool. Thailand for sure. You should definitely visit. Obviously, I live here and I chose to live here and still choose to live here for a reason. I'll put it this way. When I lived in New York City and I used to travel, I used to never want to come home. I used to get really sad at the end of a trip and be like, I don't want to go home. Now that I live in Thailand, when I travel, I want to come home because I'm coming home to Thailand. Indonesia is okay. Indonesia is not my favorite place. I've been to Indonesia. I mean, there's a lot of Indonesia that I haven't seen yet, but not my favorite. Japan and South Korea, I've been to. Japan is a must. Japan is a must. South Korea is also super, super cool too. And like underrated a little bit. But those are all great places to have on your list. Asia is the place to be. Like, Asia is the place to be. Yeah, if I ever visit Atlanta, if I ever visit Georgia, I know I'll be hitting you up for all your recommendations. But I really have no desire to go back to the United States. I'm not gonna lie. I have to go back at some point soon because I have to see my mom, and my sister. But I mean, especially my mom, because I think my sister is gonna come visit me next year, or later this year, I should say. But I just have no desire to go back to the US. You always know where the good food's at. It's important. It's very important when choosing somewhere to live. Why does everybody want me to do that, Play-Doh? I only signed up for vibe coding. Everybody's out here trying to teach me how to code. Like actual code. I'm not saying I'm not open to it. I feel like I might need a little more time in my schedule though if I commit to that, Play-Doh. Like realistically tell me, if I want to learn how to code manually, how much time out of my life do I need to dedicate to learning that? That's my only issue with it. It's because I do so many things. My schedule is like jam packed. And I feel like I'm already getting carried away with the vibe coding. I didn't expect to be doing this for so many hours every day. The day I decided to start streaming 10 days ago, I was like, okay, I'll do 1 hour a day and probably nobody will watch and nobody will talk to me and nobody will give me feedback. But I was wrong about that. That's the best. You want to live somewhere where you feel like you're always on vacation. Switch over to the dark side, he said. Yeah, I think it's really just about time. Again, like I said, I did not expect to be, you know what, I'm really only putting in 2 hours a day. Well, look, you just said it. 2 hours a day for the first month, and you will be falling in and will be running code in your brain like a background process no matter what you're doing. Oh my God. I do not need another tab open in my brain running in the background. I'll tell you that much. I got a lot going on in this freaking brain at all hours of the day. Play-Doh, I'm not opposed to it though. I'm not. I don't want to seem like I'm not open-minded, especially because there are so many people that join every day that are manual coders, like who are actual coders. And I have a lot of respect for you guys. Like, you guys are on a whole nother level of smart. So I'm not saying I'm not open to it. Maybe when I come back from Pakistan, because I am going to be traveling to Pakistan next month for 12 days. So during that time, I won't be able to vibe code, stream. I will have no access to the internet or cell phone service. I'm going to be in the middle of the Himalayas. But then when I come back, I'm going to pick up again, and then I'll definitely have more time on my hands because then I don't have my next trip planned yet. And being a math teacher, since I live in Thailand, my work hours are in the US time zone, so I work at night, but the school year is about to end in a month, well, at the end of this month, and then I really have free time because it's going to be raining outside. I'm going to not have to work my real job. The only other obligation that I will have, oh no, what's this? This is not good. No. Okay, let me take a screenshot. They need to Claude just needs to expand this. But the hero section is a good, know. What did I just do? I didn't. I just love the way this looks. Okay, now the card that the actual hero section is in is the appropriate size, but the content inside of that card doesn't expand fully in length when the window size is smaller, but when you put it in full screen, it actually works and looks the way I want it to. I've attached a screenshot of how it looks in a smaller window and how it looks in full screen. Let's see the chat. Well, that's what I thought at first. And here I am, him on my second monitor, collaborating helps. It makes it fun. Can we work on this together? I do have this on GitHub. Plato, I would love to work on it together. I mean, it's on GitHub. It's a private repository though, but if you join the Discord, you can connect with me there. I would definitely be interested in learning from you, for sure. And especially because I think you're a teacher by nature, right? You taught physics, you tutored physics, so I can tell that it's in your nature to teach. So that makes me willing to learn from you. So if you want to connect with me, join the Discord and let's talk. Yeah, it's somewhere in this chat. It's somewhere in this chat. And it's also in the video description. Yeah, tutoring and teaching, it can be really rewarding, especially, I mean, it's the best when you teach somebody something and then they actually get it and they get excited about it. But being an actual classroom teacher these days, it just ain't it anymore. I just only want to teach people who are willing to learn. Not people who are forced to be sitting in a classroom and don't want to be there. I don't have Discord open right now though, just so you know, because that app is just a little bit heavy for me to open when I have on the stream. But if you join, message me as soon as I end the stream. I usually open it up and take a look at it. So as soon as I end the stream, I'll get back to you for sure. All right, let's just fix this so we can move on. But I have to say, Claude did a really good job at interpreting the design plan. So I thought it was going to be way more of a mess. Oh, there's the link. There it goes. I'm not even using Streamlabs anymore, but still sending the messages. That's okay, as long as the message gets out. All right, Raina, thanks for joining. Always nice talking to you. I hope you have a great day. Aw, miss you too. You're the best. I'm getting to know these non-copyright songs. I don't even know what they are. I can't deal with the copyright bullshit. Yeah, I learned the hard way, Play-Doh. On like my second or third stream, I opened it up and then everything just started crashing. And I need a new device as it is. I'm aware of that, but lesson learned with Discord, just don't open it up on stream. It's so crazy though, because when I'm not streaming, I have so much shit open. But that's why I don't even have it on my phone. I should download it on my phone, but I wonder how much space it'll take up on my phone. Running out of storage everywhere. It's a life of a content creator, I guess. But then but I gotta get it on my phone so I could send pictures when I'm in Pakistan. Just whoever's in there. So everybody knows I'm alive. If only I could stream vibe coding in Pakistan with the Himalayas as my backdrop, but it just won't. It won't work. All right, let's see it. Ooh. Let's see. I do this as a change? Yeah. Nice. Very, very nice. May the source code be with you. Who is that? Omar? Is that how you say your name? Omar, welcome to the stream, Omar. Let me know if I'm saying it. Is it Omar or Amor? Welcome, welcome. Thanks for joining. May the source code be with you. All right, let us see. What if I... Night market, street food, and adventure. Omar from Nigeria. Welcome. Welcome from Nigeria. cool. So freaking cool. I love it. I love it so much. This is what I wanted. I still feel like well, I guess it's okay. I still feel like maybe it could be a little wider in full screen. I'm so picky. That's the problem. We want to leave some space, but not this much dead space. Okay, that worked. Don't change anything about what you just did. I'm very happy with that. One more small change. When it's in full screen, I still feel like there's too much dead space on the left and the right. I'm attaching a screenshot of what I'm talking about here. And when the window is smaller, it does take up the full page, which is more of the look that I'm going for. I'm attaching a screenshot of both what it looks like in full screen and what it looks like in a smaller window so you can compare. Increase the container width a little. Okay, that's the technical term, I guess, but thank you. The container width. I have to remember that. It looks really sick though. I keep saying it. I'm so happy right now. I'm just so happy right now. What do you think? Do you guys like it? I love it. I love it. I've been annoying the shit out of Claude. Do you mean the dark one? Or is that what you're saying, Omar? The dark screen is cool. It should be the default. I think it is. I'm pretty sure it is the default. I'm not sure though. Yeah, the dark. So should I tell it? The dark mode is better, right? So should I tell it? I guess I should tell it, make sure that it's the default. Yeah, the dark one does look better. I like to give people the option. I'm used to lighter colors just because I like this beige, like earthy tone. But the more that I'm building, the more that I prefer the darker versions. Ask it what is the default mode and that you want the dark one. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna pull what it did and then I'll ask that next. Thanks, Omar. Yeah, the darker one does look better. It does look better. You're right about that. Approaching session usage limit. Oh no. The general chat Discord is profile with the... Okay. I'll take a look at it when I get off stream. All right, let's see what it did. All right. All right, yeah, that's better. Anytime, anywhere we can leave. Now it's locked in the T63. You're a prize, you're a dime, you're a queen. Like the stars on a grave, you can see. Let me do that mode. I got heat, if it's up, let it bleed. And girl, you know I love you, love you, love you. I love you, love you, love you. Okay, before we move on, can you tell me what is the default mode? Because I want the dark mode to be the default mode. The session, it should be, the session usage limit, it should be reloading soon, though. I just looked at. Let's go to usage. An hour and 4 minutes. Ooh, I don't have an hour and 4 minutes. Let's see how much we could do with this session usage. So first time visitor. There's no hard-coded default. It follows your operating setting. Logically, if you've toggled it before, it remembers your choice. Otherwise, it matches your OS appearance. That's kind of cool. So first time visitor on a light mode device. Okay. Let me just pull that. Let me just see. Oh, it remembers your choice. Okay. That's fine. I'm okay with that. Okay, yes, let's move on to section C, the trip form. Yeah, I think it made that change, Omar. It made that change for me. Yeah, it's my pool. It's my own private pool for my house. Um, it's raining though. I thought I would be getting in the pool more. Honestly, I've been in the pool a few times while I'm taking like little vibe coding breaks. But honestly, I've been so kind of locked in on what I'm building that I haven't been taking really many breaks at all. And it's also been raining. But there were a few times where I did have to like jump in the pool to just like clear my mind, because for me, in order, if my brain is foggy or I'm getting stressed about something, I need to move. For me, movement is life. I start my day every day by going to the gym and training. So just moving my body helps clear my mind. But it has been pouring in this part of Thailand for, I don't know, the past few weeks. But it is my pool. No, I don't own the property. I rent the house. I don't own it. But yeah, it was always a dream of mine to live in a house with a pool, and now I do. I only moved here to this house like a month ago. I was living somewhere else, but I had to move, and I had to move fast, and luckily I found this house and upgraded my living situation. But I can only afford to do this because it's in Thailand. I could never live in a house like this in the United States. But definitely don't own the property. I know. Plato, I don't remember where you said you're from. I don't know if you told me, but from where I'm from in the United States, in New York City, only people who are like billionaires have houses with pools. And I grew up very, very poor. So that was definitely not an option for me growing up. But I remember being a little kid and thinking, oh my God, it's my dream to live in a house with a pool. And now I do, but only because it's in Thailand. The rent is, cheaper than living in a shoebox in New York City, so. But living, it is nice. But right now, I'll tell you, it's rainy season. So the weather is a little shitty. I guess it doesn't matter, if you're going in a pool and it's raining, it doesn't matter, right? Because you're in a body of water. So who cares if it's raining, right? But I always stay ready to jump in a body of water. Like, I'm happy by a body of water, in a body of water. Like, as soon as that sun comes out, if it ever does anytime soon, I need to just jump right into that pool. I wonder how much I'm going to get out of this 8% that I have left of this usage limit on this session.
then ran it again. Never gonna stop, I'm just taking the wins. Whole lot of checks, I ain't using no pen. Whole lot of shine when I step, that's a trend. Diamond singing like Mariah Carey. I had to hustle, I doubled the count. I used to struggle, but look at me now. Everything built from the mud to the mount. I ran it up, then ran it again. Never gonna stop, I'm just taking the win. Whole lot of checks, I ain't using no pen.
And the pool has a waterfall too. I could turn the waterfall on.
I had to hustle, I doubled the count. I used to struggle, but look at me now. Everything built from the mud to the mount. I told him I'm locked in. Forever I stuck to the vision. Did me some diamonds, I'm talking a dish. Whole lot of moves, I ain't taking no breaks. Whole lot of steps trying to raise up the stakes. I'm in a lane, they ain't built to replace. Neck on freeze and the wrist on late. They was asleep, now I'm all on their face. Came from the bottom, I handle the weight. Now when I talk, they record every phrase. I'm in that mode and I'm stuck in that phase. Bank account look like a highlight tape. Everything grown on minimum wage. Jumped in that water and learned how to wade. Now I'm too smooth, I'm ahead of the pace. Money keep calling, I'm answering quick. Hey, new move, got 'em studying this. I don't be talking.
Hi Azor! Oh my god, I'm so excited about the way that it looks. I can't wait to show you. I can't wait to show you. I thought I was done redesigning yesterday, but then this morning I started dabbling with Claude Design. And, you know, I talked to Claude Design a little bit, and it came up with a sick design for me. So I don't know what all of that is. Well, I'm glad Azor is here now, because Azor is a real like manual coder as well. Plato was telling me he wants to see me code manually. And I was asking him, well, I told him that's not what I was signing up for. I'm not opposed to it, but just curious how much time out of my schedule I would have to take out to actually learn how to do that. Because already this is much more than I thought. Wait, Azor, I can't wait to show you. Let me pull it and restart it. I can't wait to show you what it looks like now. Look at that. Look at that. It looks so good. It looks so good. I don't even know what it did next. Click through every control pill, toggle. Pick max stops. You'll be okay. The first few stats will be, second bar will be. Fellow keyboard thumper. All right, let's see. It wants me to click through every control pills toggle. So build a route, confirm the hero board updates. Beaches, night markets, adventure. Oh no. I noticed something. Let's say Kotao. Okay, and then I guess that's okay. I mean, the more stops that people take the boarding pass is gonna get crowded. I think for now, I'm okay with it. I don't know how much that can be condensed, but this arrow is not in a good place. When you're happy with the form, I'll do the final section D. It's gonna be okay for now. That's something I can go back and change later. We'll see. One small thing that I noticed is for the drop-down menu where the user chooses the travel month, the arrow is in an awkward place and it looks different than the other arrows in the other drop-down menus. Oh, let me check the chat. You guys are popping off. Let me see. Sorry, gotta scroll up, guys. Ask it to put padding around the drop down arrow. He used Arch, by the way. Prime. Excuse my ignorance. I don't know who that is, but tell me who that is and what I can learn from them. Omar, what does that mean? Padding around the drop down arrow. Like, what would that do? I'm learning my vocabulary too, because you say padding and I think I have a visual in my head, but I'm sure that's not what it is. I love it. Oh no, server is why? Is it my, oh, it's my usage. Fuck. Fuck. When is it gonna reset? In 47 minutes. Fuck. To add spacing around. Oh, okay. Thank you, Omar. Fuck. This is the first time that's happened to me, though. So I have to say, I'm pretty happy about that. This is the first time it's happened. Shit. That sucks. if I upgrade, like, how much am I, what are my options? Thank you, Azor. You know, I thought that maybe you would like it. When I saw this and when I developed it in Claude Design, I was like, ooh, I think maybe Azor is gonna like this. I feel like it's a big upgrade from my first project already. So I feel like I'm seeing my progression in real time. Not saying it's anything amazing or anything like that. I'm just saying, like, in 10 days I'm feeling a little bit of growth, so that makes me excited. But when I did make the design, I thought of you, Azor. I was like, I think Azor is gonna like this. Okay, let me see the chat. Use the moment to clean up your code base. Okay, let me see. Well, how do I do that? What do I need to clean up? Go into code to see what's happening. Okay. Where in the settings? Sorry, I don't know. That's so annoying. Why do they put session limits? If I still have usage. That's so, like, I feel like that's so dumb. I love the ambience the jaded neon lights create, because that's how I feel Thailand would be in your perception. It's nighttime in the mall. Yeah, Thailand is kind of like that at night. And then I feel like if you switch to the light mode, you get more of the tropical feel. So you have both options, whether you're a daytime person or a nighttime person. It gives you both. This, you know, like the little bit of neon, it's very out of my comfort zone. But I definitely wanted to try something different. I don't want everything I build to look exactly the same, but I still want it to feel on brand for me. So I was like, okay, this project, and I feel like this project is gonna be really like in depth. So I knew playing with Claude Design, like I knew I had to do that today. I didn't want to wait for the next project. I'm like, this is the one where I really have to see how I can get that wow effect, but I'm really, really loving it. I'm so happy. Oh, thank you. I have good taste. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I'm really loving it. All right, let me just see what the plan was. What was it going to do next? Because I don't think I can do anything else now, unfortunately. I'll republish it because I'm liking it. Why not? And I'll take a quick bathroom break and think about what I can do, what I can plan. While I have no usage. All right, be right back. Bathroom break. Let's see what you guys said. God save Jillian from Mac OS. Just learning about it. I just use the default one. Averages. What language do you develop in again? I do like Mac though. I'm trying to think what else can I do? Is there anything I created I signed up for Vercel. Is there anything I need to set up on that in order to use it when I'm done using Replit? Give me a sec. I'll be right back. Let me see and think. Okay. Let's see. Hi, Interblaze. I'm right here. Sorry. I just stepped outside for a minute. Interblaze, let me show you. Let me see. Let me see the chat. Hold on. Interblaze, let me show you what the progress that has been made. I don't know if you're still there. Where in the world is Jillian? Oh, whoa. A lot happened in the chat. Hold on. Have you seen the code tab? Hold on. Your GitHub, you share. Hi, Sam. The word expat is such a white term. I'm half white, half Asian, half white. So Interblaze, I don't know if you're still there, but this is the update on this app. Thank you. This is what we're working with. You tell me, let's build your itinerary. How many days do you want to travel for? Let's see what it gives us. Like your preference, because I always put in my preferences. And it's good that it's capped at 30 days because as a tourist, that's all you really get. You can extend your stay, but you're only really getting 30 days. As a tourist, you could extend it to 60. I want to see if it... Yeah, right? Thank you, Interblaze. I'm really, really, really happy with it right now. Let's say go for 2 weeks. Okay, so 14 days. How many stops? How many different destinations do you want to go to? Interblaze, we're gonna build your itinerary. Four stops. All right, let's go 4 stops. You're probably gonna arrive in Bangkok. That's where most people start. But you let me know if you want to depart from somewhere else. Is it gonna be your first time in Thailand? Are you an island hopper, a budget backpacker, a digital nomad, or interested in culture and food? Okay, it's your very first time, so you need the best itinerary. Let's choose 3 interests for you. These are your options: beaches, temples, night markets, street food, nature, nightlife, wellness, cafes, adventure, and photography. You can pick 3. I know, right? You don't have to. It's an optional section, but I think it's helpful. Sounds like a weird mix, but temples, nature, and nightlife. It's not a weird mix. Mine would be a weird mix too. And 3 wouldn't really be enough. Okay, what's your budget and what's your travel pace? Azor. His bald neighbor's got to watch out. So tighter budget than usual. So you want to be on a budget. That's okay. There in Thailand, there's something for everybody's budget. That's the great thing. Relaxed pace. Okay, cool. What month do you want to travel in? This didn't get fixed yet, but that's because I ran out of my session usage. Let's go before peak season. Oh, very smart. A smart traveler. So then what I would recommend, I would actually recommend you go in November because the weather starts to get nicer, but it's the peak season starts in December. So it's still pretty empty and the prices are still a little bit lower, but the weather is nicer. And it's less crowded. So November, I would say. Anything that you must see, it's optional. If you don't know, like any place that you have to see, any destination that is a must for you. If not, that's okay. We'll just let it generate. Pick 2 random must-sees for me. I trust you. Oh, I can pick up to 4. Okay. So if it's your first time and you are into temples, nature, and nightlife, then I say you must see Chiang Mai because Chiang Mai has the best temples and nature. And if you said nightlife, so then I'm going to put you with I'm going to botch how you say this. Ko Pangyang. I can't say it the right way. My old Thai students told me how to say it. But that's where the full moon party is. I haven't been there, but you said nightlife, so I know that's where the party's at. So let's see. All right, so you're 14 days in Thailand. You're going to go from Bangkok to Koh Phangan to Chiang Mai to Chiang Rai. Ooh, I want to go to Chiang Rai. I haven't been there yet. Let's see. Bangkok. Visit the Grand Palace. A traditional Thai massage. Be careful, Thai massages hurt. Don't tell them strong. They'll ask you, do you want soft, medium, or hard pressure or strong pressure? Don't say strong. Don't say strong. Rooftop drinks at Vertical. I've been to Octave. Octave is nice. Really good view. Rooftop bar. But I only just got a bottle of water there because I don't drink alcohol. Okay, morning sunrise view at Waterroon. Waterroon is gorgeous. It's a great recommendation. Yeah, just say I say medium strong because I work out. I need like some deep tissue, but anytime it's strong, I'm literally just biting my lip not to scream bloody murder because you're in a relaxing place. If I start doing that, people will be really disturbed. But I'm always just like in agony when they do the strong pressure. I'm like, why did I ask for strong? Wat Pho for the reclining Buddha. I've been there. And a temple massage after. Yeah, you can get a massage at that temple. Bar crawl down Khao San Road. Khao San Road is super fun. It's that iconic street. I don't know if you've seen the movie The Beach, but that's where the movie starts, on that like party street. That's a good time. That's a good time. I have to say, good recommendation. Thai cooking class with a market tour. Wouldn't personally be my preference to take a cooking class. It's not my type of activity. Explore Chatuchak Weekend Market. That's a goated recommendation. For sure, that's my favorite market ever. Street food. Chinatown. Chinatown is a must-see. Okay. Longtail boat. Never done that in Bangkok, but it sounds like fun. Don't know what that is. A night market with a fair. Ooh, I want to go here. I need to save that to my maps. Okay. Koh Phangan, full moon parties. There you go. Interblaze. Full moon parties. Okay, travel day. Settle in. So it tells you your transit. A 1 hour flight to Surat Thani and then a 2.5 hour ferry. Okay. Yeah, some of these islands are a pain to get to. Travel day, waterfall, full moon, half moon, or black moon party. Yeah. So it depends. You know, if the full moon party only happens once a month during the full moon, but they have a half moon party. Never done that. Sunrise yoga, Interblaze. You like yoga? You into yoga? Scooter. Yeah, definitely have to get on a scooter or a motorbike when you come to Thailand. I'm not saying drive one if you don't know how to drive one, but you can take a motorbike taxi and just get on the back of one, but you need that experience. I will say they should have put a tuk-tuk ride in the itinerary in Bangkok. I'll suggest that later on. Boat or jungle trek. Snorkel. Fire show. Definitely have to see a fire show. Coffee. Half-day spa. Vegan dinner. This sounds a little bit of an expensive trip. I'm not going to lie. Okay. Chiang Mai tells you go. Okay, that varies. Definitely have to take a ferry and then a flight. Yeah, but believe it or not, like all the massages and stuff, they're really cheap. Massages are like 300 baht for an hour, which is about $9 US for any of the massages. A lot of the other things are, some of the things that they're recommending are free. Old City Temple Loop. Yeah, the temples in Chiang Mai, and a lot of the temples in Chiang Mai are free. And a lot of the temples in Bangkok are free. Wat Arun, I know you have to pay, but a lot of the temples are free, so that's good. Zip line, okay. Live jazz, okay. Never done any of these things. Half day at an elephant sanctuary. Yeah, definitely have to see. I haven't been to an elephant sanctuary yet, because I'm planning to see elephants like actually in the wild here. I don't really want to go to a sanctuary. Khao soy. Khao soy is the famous northern dish. It's really, really good. Well, the way that this is planning your trip, you're seeing a lot. I think 2 weeks is a good amount of time. Obviously, The longer you have, the better. But 2 weeks is a decent amount of time. I mean, any country you go to, like, you're not going to be able to see it all. But this is actually developing. I have to put my mind in the traveler mindset and not a living in Thailand mindset, because I was like, oh my God, these days are so jam-packed. But like, I'm the type of person where when I'm home, where I'm living, I can be somewhat of a homebody, and I like to move slow. But the second I'm traveling, I'm like, let's go, let's wake up before the sun rises and have a jam-packed day without a break. So, but I know you said relaxed pace. Blue temple, white temple. Okay, yeah, I think it's a good itinerary. I mean, I guess it's as relaxed as it can be for 4 stops in 14 days. And of course, nobody has to stick to the full, and now it changed your boarding pass to your route. Pretty cool. I'm happy with it.